What's up, bud? What's going on? You were about to attack something. Were you about to attack that bird? Oh, there's a Tykhe too. Tykhe, were you gonna attack that bird? Marshall, are you gonna do a rollie? Are you gonna roll over for me? Marshall? Marshall? No? No? Huh? Marshall? Come on, bud. Come on, bud. Hey, bud. Hey, bud. Roll over. Roll. Yeah. Yeah, do it. Do it. Okay, don't just crawl on your side. That's just weird. I mean, it looks kind of cool, but it's definitely... There you go. There it was. The rollie. You gonna go the other way? You gonna go the other way? Yeah? No? You just gonna clean yourself. You stop and clean. Guys, he got dirty. He has to clean himself. There was the dirty patch of the floor right there. Even though my robot cleans it daily. Now he's cleaning his fingies. Oh, but he's got full airplane mode. Look at those ears. Look at those ears. Oh. Come on, bud. You could do it. You could. Oh, here comes the Tykhe. He missed. There. He got her. Just barely. Now he's done. He's done now. I think he's done. But Tykhe's gonna get him now. 'Cause he's a dumbass. Look at her shaking her butt. There it is. Yes. The blind fight begins. Oh, the blind. See, they don't know where they are. Did you see Tykhe? She tried to hit him, but he was so far away. She getting ready though. She trying to. Look at her tamping down her little back paws, shaking her little butt. That means she's getting ready to bounce. Oh, she might be done. So it looks like she's almost. Oh, yeah, she's done now. Now she's playing. She doing the rollies. Oh, you two so cute. You two so cute. I love you both. Oh, that's a good Tykhe. You got it? Oh, sorry, I made a noise. You can go back to it. No? Okay, I love you. Like, oh, I'm glad I saw that. You guys should be too. That was gorgeous. She's so silly. Remember, guys, she's blind. If you're wondering why they're acting weird, they're both blind. There's a third one around here too. She's blind as well, so. But yeah, you can see that. Oh, Marshall got the carrot. You can see it right there. That got Tykhe's attention, but she wants to stay on that. No surprise. That is the new toy. I just got it out yesterday, so. Oh my god. Tykhe. Close your legs, girl. Close your legs. I'm kidding. You can do whatever you want, girl. Oh, quick. Gotta clean myself. Now back to murder. So cute. Oh my god. Look at her just licking the fucking feathers. She's such a weirdo. I don't get it at all, but I love it. And then back to attack. Just out of nowhere, back to attack. Back to licking. We're gonna go, oh, back to attack. She's so funny. I love her so much. Cute little Tykhe. My blind Greek goddess of luck. I mean, blind, weird cat of luck. Same thing. Come on, guys. Tykhe, I gotta go for my walk, girl. Okay. Wait for you to attack once more. Oh, you lost it this time. Silly goose. Oh, she got a feather off, finally. First feather is officially off. And on that note, we are gonna go outside. Oh, cute little Marshall. You gonna do a rollie? I'll stay for another rollie. No. 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 Marshall, stop. Not the blanket. I'll stay for a rollie. Wow, those spots on the carpet are really obvious in the camera and not at all obvious in real life. Oh, no rollie. Sorry, guys. Where's Lily? Lily. Oh, Lily. I don't know. There you are, little girl. And there's Lily. Just so everyone can see the whole family. Oh, me. The whole family. Hi, Lily. That's a good girl. That's the goodest girl. I love when you do that. Tykhe doesn't do that. She won't let me. She sniffs my hand and then walks away. She's a weirdo. Anyway. Bye, guys. Baka, uvidimся. Oh, Alexa, turn off overhead. Alexa, turn off basement. Bye, guys.